Robert Smith Siding and Remodeling has been built on the principles of installing quality products at a competitive price, while always providing reliable service prior to, during, and after your specific project. Since 1972, our unique service and years in business has established our place in the industry, and it continues to grow by following industry trends, improving our standard products, and always listening to the customer. We offer a wide variety of contractor and home remodeling services in order to best serve our clients. Some of those services include replacements, doors and entrances, gutters, soffits and trim, vinyl and aluminum siding, metal roofing, shingle roofing, and so much more. Robert Smith Siding and Remodeling is fully licensed, bonded, and insured for our customers' protection and peace of mind. We can help you turn your house into the home of your dreams. If you want the best in quality and value, reach out to us today at 270-651-4646 for more information.